ner malaka nyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwasa me bana rwacha me bana jaling rwacha bana ling rwacha mishito kshala nwote ka jisa Sudan tishop ka bakel tisha kep kuumɛ Congo ka border dung sa Sudan ken Congo ala DRC Congo ngai kon diara no Congo tere kori ke jan korpaza me kelyo gwad me shi M23 shi kan wacce dan nyam wuji dini jare wacce ko Congo shi kan kep entama nlarame kula la wakane diala content ka border dun Congo kan South Sudan ka mandana shala do shi ka Congo shi South Sudan isne to shop ka bakel shi kan kep ka border ban mandana kap ka ban je kula linkel kan konre ler kana me mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel donga changan yam kaji gorje en woder subscribe ka de notification bell der je twain ko mete ka ler mi ci berej da shwamala shi bakaji gwas na nan pay berej gorje en obabbi jena comment ki bidwar be gor ka de je nyaw baka na asen ko kien ban shure ler kana me inshallah de nena shaji South Sudan tishop ka bakel cha ka yen de ni rewe ko Congo DRC, DR Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, ajan gwada dana yana gatin. Mishaka yeno, shaka yen kan dang bakel. Karo jen chala do ken, jen kan rei wich ka South Sudan, you know. Shwa kulo kep gwad mishika kai kam South Sudan kene Congo shikene bel. Laki dan jen ka South Sudan, shikene bel, shikene quick and dan quick into Congo ten ajan gwada dan wa captain and eri konde ten la dine man wukana lelen winami chala do ken dunia na mai karech alo ci go gor karech ajan gwada dan wa captain dine din do to shukane ro yukana cap an gwada dan ka bagatin reg michal gen zara town wa kam de kene Congo take kilometer to chop jan dangra wi de an alaka nande alo kilometer jandangra wi de tiaka long awajan ajan la distance ke nande ke jan ke South Sudan kilometer jandangra wi de jan gwada danan ke andana to kam South Sudan kene Congo chala do kan nang bakel machaka ke bo chane ngwan cha ko luñ kene di kon la dini chala do ne di shop karo ngot ke kan kalun ci do dan wi mi katijin andana to dini tikitin ka do badana chalat ke jam wa kabuga ko ken chicken border chikana bel ke chigo mai kujimi karech dunia mai karech ano jan gwadan wa captain men kwa lat gwasa me ne din content to long lat ke jeno aran chuka border dun Congo ba kujimi ko ntama Congo tere dika chere men ngai kon diala no ken te kare kori cha gwano de na kujimi na mo ran mishalat ko geke jeno dong misran yo lo kujimi ka jana birek biyo jek na money der bejamat chawraji mo chaja kwen. Authorities in Nizara County, Western Equatorial State in South Sudan have reported that 6 South Sudanese citizens were arrested by Congolese forces after crossing into the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, to fish last week. Nizara town is located approximately 25 kilometers from the border with the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Nizara County Commissioner Lino Fataki confirmed the incident that on Wednesday. He explained that the arrest occurred near the border between Bagdi in the DRC and South Sudan. These individuals had gone fishing when they were apprehended by Congolese soldiers. While 4 were later released, 2 remain unaccounted for, he said. Commissioner Fataki added that he had deployed national security personnel to investigate the whereabouts of the missing individuals. He also urged the residents to avoid crossing into Congolese territory without proper authorization. I am advising our people to remain within Nizara County borders. Anyone intending to venture into the bush should seek permission to ensure their safety, he emphasized. Matthew Osam, the Criminal Investigation Department inspector in Nizara, confirmed that the incident occurred last week. He noted, it happened last week as it been said. Well, he said South Sudanese were arrested by Congolese authorities. Our people have frequently been arrested and their release often require payment. We are questioning why our government does not apply similar measures. When Congolese nationals cross into our country, they don't pay anything, or people do not ask for money from them. But when these Congolese capture our people, they ask for money. In order for them to be released, South Sudanese government have to pay them money. James Dolo, the director of police in Nizera, stated that the Congolese side is requesting 1 carton of cigarettes and a carton of small batteries as a condition for the release of the detainee individuals. We have received information that 6 people were arrested. The Congolese authorities are allegedly demanding a carton of cigarettes and a carton of small batteries in exchange for their freedom. If our people are not released soon, we will take serious measures in accordance with the law. Dolo want it. Jen Chialinga, like me, wa michi na yana kep chicken, Jesus ran yana kep, like na jaga jalwin ka yo, guad me wa gor kan tap, la cartoon tab ni, and on a cartoon batter ni kan Congolese soldiers. Ko de kan de konti la so Sudan de kan kula release gwadan yana captain kuumɛ so Sudan kene kamisha ne ken mishi ban cha ka cha ka ju no ngona yo ke ba galun ka yo kan kam yen chitana sa jaza no ngum cha ne ken cha ka yen mishi ken ne kon le la yen de kan ka bina lun ka yo na bongo da bore anyway ajena dana gode nywa ya kel bye bye.